Are you missing out on new business because your website isn't at the top of Google? Does SEO feel confusing? And are SEO specialists too expensive? Then our SEO tool is the solution for you. It's a powerful do-it-yourself SEO tool that was built to enable anyone to optimize any website. It guides you through the 3 core elements of a successful SEO campaign. 1. It helps you to easily build the perfect SEO strategy for your website, from choosing keywords to building a content plan, and even analyzing your competitors. 2. It gives you tailored, simple-to-follow SEO tasks you need to complete every month that will drive your website to the top of the search engines. And 3. It tracks your website's performance in Google, so you can be confident you're making improvements. With our SEO tool by your side, anyone in your business can follow the simple and easy-to-follow instructions to reach the top of Google, even your juniors. Don't have time to make your own SEO changes? No problem. Our team can complete your SEO for you. With our range of monthly done-for-you plans, our team of SEO experts are at hand to help, no matter what your budget is. Sign up today and discover the SEO solution that's perfect for your business.